How to transfer specific video to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific video to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings. And here you will find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next. And go down until you find the Photobucket and go to videos, turn it on if you want to transfer only specific video, and select specific video and then just next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.